Hello, hope you're having a great day and welcome to my channel. Today I will be knitting this top for Valentine's Day. I used Gilt eyelash yarn from Yarn B. The color is Star Ruby and it recommends 6mm needles. I will be using these circular ones. We will start off by casting 91 stitches with the long tail cast on method. This amount of stitches and size of needles will create a top size medium. I will start by working in the round. That last stitch that I cast on, that is on my left needle, I will pass it on my right one. And this stitch right beside on the right, I will pass it on top of that stitch that I just passed and secure my knit. I will knit in stockinette stitch all the way through until I reach my desired length. This is a crop top, so it's not going to be super long. I will try to use my whole ball of yarn. And this yarn is kind of tricky to work with. I have to feel my way through the stitches because they are a bit invisible. Right now we're casting off the stitches. I try to do it a bit loose because this yarn is not stretchy at all. It looks so pretty, I love it. Next, I put it on my mannequin to measure the straps. I made them 14 inches long. and they will be separated by 8 inches. I use a clear beading cord and fake pearls. I bought them from Amazon. I will link them down below. I make a double knot with the beading cord on my clasp and then start adding the beads until I have my desired length.
One hour later.
Add another clasp to the other end of the cord and make 2. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. It will encourage me to keep sharing what I make in my little shop with all of you. Thank you for watching.